All right, guys, here's some tips for high-speed boating. Yes, it's a lot of fun to go fast in a boat, but like a car, you need to be responsible. So first things, life jacket on, kill switch hooked up. It's pretty much a law now in most states, and it's just a smart thing to do. If you are ever ejected from your boat, that kill switch will pull if you have it hooked up, and it'll shut your boat down. Otherwise, your boat will go forever, and that'll be a problem, especially if you're drifting in the water by yourself. So once you get up on plane, you know, the biggest thing is have everything in control. Don't just shoot up there and drive as fast as you can. Slowly take yourself up to speed, always looking in all directions, making sure there's no boaters coming from the side, from in front of you. Make sure there's no big waves. If you see waves, you need to slow your vessel down or you're gonna hit it hard and it could cause a serious accident. So always be paying attention for things like that. Look for debris in the water, buoys. Make sure you're going in the area you're supposed to be going during boating. You know, you don't want to run up onto any shell bars or anything that can hurt your prop in shallow water. And just be responsible. You know, don't be out of control. If you feel like you're starting to lose control of your vessel, back off on the throttle, or for me, I have a foot pedal here. Slowly back off, regain control, keep your hands on your wheel, and be safe. So if you're gonna boat at high speeds, that's okay, but make sure safety is your #1 priority, because the last thing you want is a high-speed boating accident. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching this video. Here at PartsVu, we are very passionate about the boating lifestyle. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out PartsVu.com for all your boating needs. We'll catch you next time.